Hi everyone, how was my last tutorial part about the introduction to the irregular verbs in the German language and how a vowel change makes them irregular when they are conjugated? Now in this last part, you saw the vowel change from the alphabet A to E. So do write your opinions about my last part in the comment section. Now in this part, I will show you two more vowel changes due to which the verbs become irregular when they are conjugated. So let's have a look. So now I am going to show you the vowel change from the German alphabet A to E. And because the vowel changes, the verb stem will also change, which in the case of this verb sprechen, the word stem consists of the first 6 alphabets up till H. And sprechen means to speak. So I speak, ich spreche. You speak, and you here is the informal you. Du sprichst. So there must be the sh and the st sound coming together, as in sprichst. And the A alphabet has changed to an E. Ending is with an st. If we're taking the formal U, Sie sprechen. He, she, it speaks. Sie, es spricht. So again the A alphabet has changed to E, but the ending is with a T. We speak, wir sprechen. All of you speak, and by all of you, I am referring to 2 or more people. So ihr sprecht. They speak, sie sprechen. So note that the vowel change you will see in the second person singular form and the third person singular form for the irregular verbs. And other common verbs that come in this category where the E changes to an I are geben, which is to give, nehmen, which is to take, treffen, which is to meet, helfen, which is to help, and essen, which is to eat. But please note for this last verb essen, ich esse, du isst, sie es isst. The endings For the forms second person singular and third person singular are the same. That is because whenever you see two S coming together, one after the other, and the verb stem ends with these two S's coming one after the other, then you will not add a third S when you're conjugating such a verb in second person singular form. So you will not have three S's for this. You will just keep it with two S's and end with a T. This form of conjugation, as I've just mentioned for essen, I showed you for the verb heißen in my tutorial 6 also. But even though heißen is written like this with the S set alphabet, but the S set can also be written with double S. So that is why when this verb was conjugated in my tutorial 6 part 1, the ending for this verb for second person singular and third person singular forms was with a T simply, like for this verb essen. So do check out my tutorial 6 part 1 for the conjugation of this verb for you to better understand how when S set or double S are ending the verb stem, then in the second person singular and the third person singular forms, you will just add a T in the end. So moving on, and now there is another category where the vowel changes from A to EA. So from E to IE. And we have the verb to read, which is lesen. I read, ich lese. You read, du liest. So the E will now change to IE in the second person singular form. Then addressing someone formally, you read, sie lesen. He, she, it reads, sie, es liest. And note that the third person singular form of conjugation is similar to the second person singular form of conjugation for all the irregular verbs. We read, wir lesen. All of you read, ihr lest. They read, sie lesen. Other common verbs in this category where the E in the word stem will change to IE are sehen, which is to see, stehlen, which is to steal, in the sense of stealing something, befehlen, to order or command someone, and empfehlen, to recommend. Now, in the coming tutorials, you may see some other vowel change happening, but most of the verbs tend to come in these three categories where either the R changes to A, the A changes to E, or the A changes to E and A. That was all for today. Any questions related to this entire tutorial, you can ask in the comment section. Please like my videos and continue watching the tutorials. Also, do not forget to subscribe to German tutorials for beginners. And do share my channel's name and link with your friends. Thank you.